Welcome to Star Coverage. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Great job.
Because nobody knows exactly.
Doing a good job.
Yes.
That was love there.
Yes, and there was touching.
So that's good stuff.
I heard something going on trying.
Okay.
Got it? My daughter was going to tell him to do it.
Ed Kisper, I'm the CEO and co-founder of Silicon Ranch, proud owner and operator of this important energy project that we're celebrating this morning. Today is indeed a day to celebrate the great things that we can accomplish in this country if we work together, united in partnership toward a common goal. The Millington Solar Farm at NSA Mid-South is the result of a truly collaborative effort that harnessed innovation, visionary leadership, and teamwork. It was 3 years ago yesterday, this same group of committed partners assembled in North 82 Gym, right where all of you parked this morning, for an official groundbreaking for this landmark project. Since that time, a tremendous amount of work has been completed by this dedicated group. Our team at Silicon Ranch and our strategic partners, including McCarthy Building Companies, HDR, Barge Wagner, Ryan, and many others, have worked closely with the City of Millington, the U.S. Navy, Memphis Light, Gas and Water, and TVA to conduct surveys. 2, 3.